Hello YouTube, welcome back. My name is Kennedy. I'm a software developer. So in this video, we are going to open a project, create our virtual environment, and run our server. So without two remarks, let us get started. So I'm going to access my CMD from this search tab and type CMD, and I'm going to navigate to my desktop by writing cd desktop, change direct to desktop. Then on the desktop is where I'm going to create my project. So I'll type this command, Django -admin start project blog. So blog is the name of the project I'm trying to create, just like that. Next, I'm going to create a virtual environment. But for example, if you don't have a virtual environment installed on your PC, you can just write this command, pip install virtual env, and this command will install virtual environment on your PC. But mine is already installed, that's why I'm being told requirements already satisfied. So if the requirements are already satisfied, so let me create the environment for my project. So I'm just going to type virtual env. Now, virtual environment is the module which we installed, but env is the name of the environment I'm giving it. You can give it any name you want. You can call it my_env, or you can call it the env, but for simplicity of my project, I'm just going to call it env, just like that, and press enter. Now let me go to the desktop. I want to access my items. The first thing is this one here, environment variable, and my project. Where is the blog project? Let me try to see it. This one here. So I have these two things here. So first of all, I'm going to drag this environment to the blog post, or I can just cut it and paste it inside here. So when I double click on the blog project, I have three items: blog, which is the project, environment, and manage. Manage is a script which I'm going to use to run our server. So I want to activate this environment now. On the CMD, let me activate by typing this. But first of all, I have to navigate and go into that project by typing this cd blog. Now, after going inside the blog project, now I can just say env /scripts /activate, and it will activate environment for me. As you can see now, the environment is activated. The next thing is to use this manage.py file. So I'll just use it to run my server. I'll type this command so that you can run our server. Python manage.py run server, just like that, and press enter. Good. Now my server is running. So I'm being told that starting development server at http://127.0.0.1:8000. 8000 is the port I'm going to access my development server of Django, but 127.0.0.1 is the local host. Now I can highlight this, go here, edit, and copy it. You cannot just Control-C and copy it from the command prompt. It is not possible. So double click on my Chrome browser so that I can access it on my page. So when I launch my Chrome browser here and paste the link which I copied from the command prompt here, this is the one I'm using to access my development server, and press enter. Good. Now I'm being told the install worked successfully. Congratulations. Now this is my web page for the development server. Now we are good to go. In the next video, we are going to change this view and customize it the way we want, so that you can place our templates and views on this web page. That is it for today and for this project. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Thank you very much. Peace. Bye bye.